Hey there. I think it's time you and I had a one on one talk about what it means to smartly invest. Smartly is not even used correctly. How to properly invest in crypto during this crazy Wild West time. I have been getting into a lot of these small micro cap projects, and I've been excited, and I'm continuing to do that. I'm gonna keep on doing that. But there is one thing that was brought to my attention, a particular image, a particular disturbing picture that I had to share it with you and get maybe your opinions on it down in the comment section below. And I think it'll change the course and trajectory of how I will start to invest in cryptocurrencies in the future. And maybe this might be something you should be considering too. My name is Aaron. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a crypto expert. I'm not a guru. I haven't made six figures in crypto. I haven't made seven figures in crypto. I haven't made any kind of money in crypto. I made maybe about $3,000 in crypto altogether. Okay, that's about it. Four figure earner. Okay, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to one Bitcoin. I started in December. I'm a brand new crypto investor. Like if you're looking for Fibonacci analysis, right? If you're looking for that alien language that needs this X, Y, and Z, you're not going to get that from me, okay? I'm going to use kindergarten language because I have a little lizard brain. And so I'm just going to kind of speak plainly. I don't deserve any likes. I don't deserve any subscribes. But if you want to follow along in my journey, just go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you are feeling generous today, for at least a little part in the day, I would ask for your like button. Now, here's the thing. I've been chasing these small cap, low market cap coins because I've just seen them shoot off 1,000x, 2,000x, 4,000. What is going on? And my mentality was maybe if I get in early enough, I'll shoot up right to the moon and then sell. That actually worked. It worked for Safe Moon. I made about $2,000. Actually, that $3,000, $4,000 that I made in crypto, half of it was in Safe Moon. Okay, and I'm in total profit. I've been open about my wallet. I'm totally open. It's very personal, but I'm super open with it. Now, because I don't feel like it defines me, for what it's worth. Now, I've been chasing around these small market caps, and it's quite interesting because I'm going to show you exactly what my portfolio looks like. Okay, here we go. iPhone setup. I was just buying stuff, right? So here's my wallet. If you appreciate me being honest and transparent with something so personal as in my bank account, this is it. I don't care. I don't care if you think it's just like this low number and I'm a noob. I don't, whatever. So I'm in 100% profit in SafeMoon. I've got NFT art. I've got now Spore. I've got now Wall Street Bet token. Some people are saying it's a scam, but I sold some and I don't think it's a scam. Elongate, Eclipse, Bonfire. Okay, these are the smart chains. I even got Fine token still in here. I need to get that junk out of my life, dude. I got this thing called Pause, this animal adoption advocacy. I got Moon Pirates, which I'm actually pretty excited about. And I got Up Only, and even more so, I got into the launch in Safe Panda. Even in my MetaMask wallet, I've got four just poop coins over there too. I've got, or three, Elon, Dogalon, Musk, and Shiba Inu. Okay, I'm actually up on these. Now, why, Aaron, do I have so many crappy coins? Well, the reason why is because I experienced success with SafeMoon, and I want to see if I could duplicate it in the same, and I'm chasing like that 100x coin. So, what is the problem? And I could give you my rationale here on chasing these, and it's probably something you should try too. But I just like trying everything. I like finding out and just exploring. Here's the problem: smart money don't do that. Okay. The problem is that I'm tracking, someone showed me a picture and it tracked all of the most commonly held cryptocurrencies by venture and hedge fund portfolios. And this is it. This is the picture, this is the image that was so disturbing that I'm like, Aaron, what am I doing? Aaron, what in the googly moogly are you doing? I don't see no Safe Moon in here. I don't see Dot. I don't see... Oh, no, I see Dot. I mean, it's number one. I mean, I don't see Dogalon. I don't see Muskie. I don't see any of that here. And these are the most wealthiest. These are the smartest. They have the most minds put together. It's not some crazy person on YouTube with a stupid looking hat, chapped lips, and he looks like Tiger Woods. No, these are some of the most advanced. They have the most advanced software at their disposal. They have the most money and resources at their disposal. They could pay and hire the best analysts at their disposal. And these are the cryptos, the coins that they choose to hold, the most common. The first one being DOT. And so here's my question to you and to myself. Hey, are you holding DOT? Because smart money do that, right? Smart money is in here holding DOT. There's a lot of big whales. There's a lot of money that want DOT to succeed. They want DOT to overtake Ethereum. They want DOT. They want platforms and apps and dApps and WAPs and craps and all that stuff to be built on DOT. I have never even heard of Keep. Never even heard of it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna go to Keep. This is the first time I'm even like, and yeah, I'm new. You know how many? What the heck? What the hell is that? What is going on here? What is this? I don't know what Keep is. They know something that I definitely don't know. And so here's the thing. I'm gonna go through like a few of these, I guess. But like this one, File. So this one was interesting. Filecoin. It's like a Dropbox technology, and this looks like there's a lot of room for growth here, I guess. Market cap is pretty high here. You could buy it on pretty much all major markets here, or exchanges rather. So that looks pretty good. But here's the thing, and I'm gonna link this. I'm gonna screenshot this. Right. So this is something that's super interesting. This is just April 1st, and these are the most commonly. And I haven't gone through all these, and I intend to. But here's the thing. I thought that if I held these small cap coins, that in the future it would be amazing. Like in the future, oh man, I'm gonna be lunar rover yacht on my Mars, base. But maybe these are the coins to get. And so, are you holding Filecoin? Are you holding this CKB? I mean, what is this CKB? CKB. Got me. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. So, sorry, you can't even see it. Yeah, what is this? I don't know what CKB is. Let's see. Let's take a look here. So, whatever. I don't know. It's interesting. And Messari, if you don't know what Messari is, it's a well-known crypto data research tool. I have to pay like $25 a month to have it. I stole it. So it was being passed around the internet. Here's the thing, you and me, we got to talk about what it means to really invest in crypto. That we are investing in not only just a coin, like it's kind of like ethereal, right? It's just introducing a coin, but it's not just a coin. It's actually a project. It's actually a company. And so what I understand from these hedge funds, when they look into what to put their money in, they are accountable to a lot of powerful people with a lot of money. They need to make them money. And they're thinking that this is the best way to guarantee making money. So if you put your money into these cryptocurrencies, you are almost guaranteeing you will make money. Why? Because there is, and not a financial advisor, obviously, but there is a ton of research, a ton of resources, a ton of energy poured into these picks. So some things that I think they would consider: one, does a coin have strong fundamentals? Okay, is it a good company? Does it have strong fundamentals? And if we're asking that question about these coins, we should be asking that about the small market cap coins that we're looking at. And I will continue to do it because it's exciting. And I could throw $50, $20 over here, and get like a trillion coin. And I think that's really cool. I feel like a quadrillionaire over here. Do they have a USP, a unique selling position? Have they cornered the market in some way? Especially now, Wild West. Can you corner the market, and can you solve a particular problem for a lot of people? Like this thing, Filecoin. It's like a Dropbox or decentralized Dropbox. I don't know anything about it, right? So I'll make a video later researching and stuff and all. But I don't know anything about it. But it seems pretty niche. It seems pretty good. Do you know the teams? Do you know the people behind these projects? Are these guys sketchy? Are they like the Dan Bilzerians trying to make crypto? Are they trying to you know what I mean? Like, who are these guys? And then last, and there's probably a lot more factors, right? But the last for me is credibility and stability. Are they credible? Are they stable? Is this a stable company? Has it shown, that they could work through very tough times? Because when you invest your money in somewhere, you want to make sure that, hey, it's kept safe and all that stuff. And so I just want to raise this question to you. Are you invested in these? Are you invested in these? 1 inch. Look at that. Sol. I don't know what that is. One thing that I thought was very, very interesting, though, I do not see Bitcoin, and I do not see Ethereum. That's interesting. I, for one, think that Bitcoin will. I have a Michael Saylor mentality, right? I'm a student in the Saylor Academy. I, for one, am a Bitcoin maximalist, and I think that Bitcoin is, all other coins rise and fall on the Bitcoin tide. And so, yeah, I think I'm gonna, when I get my stimulus checks or tax refunds or any other, extra money that I get from side gigs and side jobs, they're getting thrown into here. I'm gonna continue to spend and play with that winning money that I have in my my wallets there, my MetaMask and my Trust wallet, into these small low cap coins. But this is where I think I'm going to pour my real funds, my real money into. It's going to be into these coins, especially for long-term holds. Not financial advice. Like I said, I am just a dude. I am just a man. Okay, I'm a newbie. I'm a beginner. I use kindergarten words for my little lizard brain, and I hope I don't offend anyone or whatever. I'm just getting a lot of negative comments. I'm just trying to keep it above water. Look, I don't deserve your like, but I will ask for it. If you are a generous person or feeling generous, or you feel like you don't hit the like button enough, would you please touch the like button for me, and follow me along in my journey, and hit subscribe if you want to. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys on the moon.